Hey guys, once again, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you that how you can public your subscription list. So first you have to open your YouTube app, then you have to click on your channel's logo, and then you will click on your channel. As you can see, my subscription list is off. You can just see the featured channels. So to open it, you will click on pencil icon, and after that you can see down there written privacy, and there keep all my subscriptions private. It is black. You will click on it, it will become gray. Now your subscriptions list is open, as you can see. So to off it, you will click on that pencil icon again, and you will click on it again. It will become black and your subscription list will be off. So this was today's video. Hope you all guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you all in some other video. Till then, take care and bye guys.